officially inaugurate the conference.
Good morning, everyone. I'm really happy. First of all, I didn't thought of this number of audience will be over here. I'm really happy of that thing, and it's my honor of being over here and the guests and everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, and dear partners. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to Dubai and to the 48th ICA Arab Campus Conference and Exhibition. We are honored to host this important global gathering once again in the United Arab Emirates, a nation that continues to place innovation, resilience, and international cooperation at the center of its economic vision. This year's conference comes at a defining moment. As highlighted in the agenda, our world is experiencing profound shifts in global economic dynamic, productivity, geopolitical relationships, and technological change. These shifts have created both opportunities for financial market and for all economies. The Middle East, as noted in the program, has responded with strategic neutrality, economic diversification, stronger regional integrations, and major investments in clean energy and future technologies. These are not just policy choices, they reflect our region's belief in long-term stability and sustainable development. Sustainability is now centered to financial leadership. Around the world, investors and institutions are recognizing that environmental and social risks are financial risks. At the same time, there is growing understanding that opportunities created by the green transition, from renewable energy to green finance, carbon markets, new technologies, and nature-based solutions, will be among the most significant drivers of growth in the decades ahead. Here in the UAE, sustainability is not a trend. It is a national priority, a long-term commitment, and defining pillar of our development model, whether through our leadership in renewable energy, our focus on climate diplomacy, or our effort to create standards for sustainable finance. The UAE has worked to ensure that economic growth and environmental responsibility move together. This year, as your discussion address technology transformation, bond markets, repo markets, and the future of currency system, one theme is clear. Sustainable finance will shape the next era for global markets. And the financial sector, represented here today by central bankers, global investors, treasury leaders, AI experts, economists, and regional and international banks, plays a critical role in accelerating these transitions. The UAE believes that sustainability is strengthened through cooperations. That is why gathering like this conference, which brings together institutions from across the Arab region and the world, are so important. Together, through innovation, responsible finance, and shared purpose, we can build resilient economies capable of navigating global uncertainty and shaping a more inclusive, stable financial future. To our international guests, welcome to Dubai, a city built on visions and the belief that progress must serve future generations. To our colleagues from across the Arab markets, Your participation strengthens regional integration, supports our transition to sustainable economies, and reinforce the region's position as a global hub for finance and innovations. And to all speakers, thank you for contributing your expertise to an agenda that reflects the challenges and opportunities of our time. I wish you all a productive, inspiring, and impactful conference. With that, I officially inaugurate the 48th ICA Arab Campus Conference in Dubai. Thank you so much.